So I still main the Tornado V3 as of now. It's a great cube, but too many factory defects, and I might just pick up another 3x3 anyways. So last year, Moyu decided to release like 50,000 cubes. One of them was the Weilong Wrm V10, which is one of their flagship cubes. I have this cube right here too, but I didn't really like how this cube was, so that's why I kept on maining the Tornado V3, because it turned well, it had really good performance and customization, which this cube didn't. But then unexpectedly, Moyu obviously had to release more cubes. One of them was the Sappheiros Wrm V10, which was also loved by a lot of people. But it had 5 versions. Like, why do you need 5 versions? Why do you need a cube robot? It makes no sense. It just bumps up the price, which I honestly think is what Moyu is doing now. The second release was the Weilong V10, which is a successor to this cube, the Weilong V9, and a lot of people loved it. I went to a competition yesterday, and people that actually had it really liked the cube. I've tried the maglev version there, which was extremely fast. I can't get a single, and even with WAID 5 and a bunch of other slow lubes, it could not slow down. That's why I opted for the springs version of this cube, and we're gonna unbox that together today. Obviously, we gotta try something new in each video, don't we? This time I'm just gonna speedrun unboxing and see how long it takes. So let's just see how this goes. That's really bad. I literally struggled to open the accessories as well, but honestly, what can we expect? I'm gonna take the knife away so I don't cut myself on accident while unboxing this. So a long story short, when I was going to order this cube in SCS, it was out of stock. It was in stock in their Canada warehouse, but who wants to spend $10 to ship a plastic Rubik's Cube, bro? That's why I had to get it elsewhere. We're not gonna get into the cube yet. We're gonna go to the accessories box first and see what they have. Typical Moyu cube cards. This is, I don't know what this guy's name is. This one is, I think this is for the Super Weilong. Why did they put this in here too? Oh my god. And then we have the solving tutorial. Actually, is there even more information than that? Yeah, no, this is useless too. And then we got the founder of Moyu himself, or somebody. I can't read Chinese, so I won't really know. And then we got the Moyu battle axe. Now we got the cube, and this box reminds me of the Weilong V9 box. Why do they have to put 2 parts? They could just have it flip over or something like that. Okay, it is heavily lubricated inside. Oh yeah, I forgot. I got lube service, so expected. I don't want to set up this cube because there was a lot of controversy stuff going on with this cube and the core of the cube. We have a video here, and it shows that he basically broke his core after 3 hours of getting his cube and just turning around. And this other YouTube short of this kid doing like an algorithm spam, and then his entire cube explodes. I made a post on r/cubers about this, and there's a lot of others saying that they had the same problem too, but it wasn't really that rare, so hopefully it didn't happen to me as well. I'm gonna wipe this cube down because it's like lubey all over the top. Here's first turns now, guys. This cube feels really different from the Weilong V9, and it doesn't even feel like a Weilong cube. It feels like something completely different. It feels more like a YS3M, but less blocky and way faster to me. Yeah, this is pretty tight too. Let's see, corner cutting. So this is 45 now. Okay, can't do 45. What, reverse? That is some really smooth corner cutting. What the heck? Or is it? Or I think it's probably because of the 20 magnet auto alignment. But man, I actually like this cube. Let me check magnet strength. Okay, the magnets are definitely there. They're not as strong as this though, because this is extremely strong magnets. And the internals, so V9 has purplish, no, cyan, I don't know, turquoise internals. This has clear internals. And the Tornado comparing, this also has clear internals. Now, Battle Axe, this, I think this is for adjusting the tension, the screw. I don't know what the screw is for. We don't even have a screw in our thing. And this, I think this is for the old adjustment system, right? Let me see. Yep, it's for the old adjustment system. After 5 or 6 years of having the same detentioning system, Moyu finally comes up with, oh shit. Moyu finally comes up with something new. And this, oh look, it has the little Moyu thing. This is a dual adjustment system, which can be used with this tool. It goes left and right, just like how Chi does theirs. You just do your adjustments like this, which is pretty smart. But this one has a tool and does the same thing. I'm obviously not going to turn these because I don't know how tensioning works on this cube yet, but I'll learn that later. Wrong cap. I'm definitely going to play around this cube more and break it in and test out different settings. But honestly, I don't think I really want to touch the settings because this has already been tensioned and lubed, so I'm not going to clean it down until it dries and stuff. This cube also got a huge price downgrade. Not a downgrade, but the price went down, so I think this cube is like $44 and this springs version is like $34. $10 drop, but then this is the maglev, this is the springs. I've tried the maglev. Don't go for the maglev, it is way too fast. I've had a friend who put WRM V10 and a bunch of other slow lubes in his cube and it was still lightning fast, so I think it's better if you opt for the springs one because you obviously have some control still. That'll be it for this video. Please subscribe, check out the rest of my channel. Also like and comment what you think about this cube if you've tried it. And also please let me know if you ordered this cube and you have like a broken core or something so I can keep track of how many quality defects are going on in Moyu's puzzles. And yeah, I guess that'll be it.